You too, my boy.
Ooh.
Not your boy.
All right, all right, I'm sorry.
This is not the streets. This is not the streets. Gator, El Rico Gator.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir. How you doing today?
I'm well. All right, City of Detroit, Ms. Soroki versus El Rico Gator, case number SP 1281837, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1560726-1, SP 1624983-2, SP 1643083, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1681232, counts 1 and counts 2 in the state of Michigan versus El Rico Gator, case number SX 40380982. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gator.
Mr. Gator, state your name for the record, please.
El Rico Gator.
Today is the date and time set for a trial on most of the counts. However, on the SP 1681232, counts 1 and counts 2 is set for, we'll call it today the date and time set for arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, Ms. Soroki.
I'm going to waive the form of reading the information, stand mute. I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was that charge?
There was 2 new charges, no insurance misdemeanor and a driving while license suspended misdemeanor.
Thank you.
All right, any officers here on El Rico Gator? Officer White, Officer Artez, Corporal Baker, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Artez Baker, Badge 21, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Good morning. You? Is there Officer Shack? Officer Frederick, Officer White. Shack, Frederick, White, and then was that
Prisblo?
Prisblo, BPRZYBYLO. Okay, hearing no response on those other officers, I do not see any of those officers in the room now. We'll just deal with what we have and then get him an updated offer on the no insurance misdemeanor and the driving license suspended. He does owe another 288 on 1 no insurance proof, amongst other civil infractions. That's the one that's affecting his driver's license. Let's put you in a breakout room with
Mr. Bowman, can you meet me in a breakout room, please?
Yes. Yes.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gator, with Ms. Soroki.
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please.
We're already on Mr. Gator. On I didn't get to explain the offer to the other one. They came out of the breakout room. So
did you get a chance to speak to Ms. Godwin?
I spoke to her, but I didn't get a chance to give her the offer because she came out of the breakout room. But Mr.
Let's back on the record with Mr. Gator. Mr. Gator, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation. He would plead to the amended account of fail to display a valid license, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and the civil infraction is being amended to impeding traffic. All other counts are being dismissed. Gator, please turn your camera on.
It won't let me. You disabled my camera.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Gator, do you want to take that deal?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
And those were including the other 2 matters that were on the docket, Ms. Soroki?
That would be the other matters are being dismissed.
The ones that weren't on the docket, though, those.
Oh,
you got
yes.
that?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay, so, Mr. Gator, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on 1 second, let's pass it. Ms. Grant, do you have clothes on, ma'am? Come, get up, Ms. Grant.
Yes.
I'm
Come
here.
in. All right, you need to get up and you need to put some clothes on, ma'am.
I have clothes on.
You need to put some more clothes on.
I'm fully dressed.
All right. Well, you're not gonna get called until you put something to cover your sleeves up or your arms up.
Okay.
You need to go back into the breakout room in any case. Oh, no, I'm
No,
sorry.
that's not SD. That's Ms. Grant. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gator. I already swore him in. Do you understand? Right, but let's say, right, do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Which one are we pleading to? Are we pleading to Officer Baker's tickets?
Yes.
Let me draw. Let me draw your attention back to September 24, 2024 at around 12:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit, area of last year in Grand River. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir, I was.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
What was this? What was this allowing?
Yes.
Well, let's do an improper plate on this, because he wants an allowing and a what? What was the other thing?
There's going to be one fail to display, one allowing, and one impeding.
So we have, so you're pleading to the new cases then? Allowing.
There should be.
Failure to display. The one ticket with the allowing officer, was Officer Frederick here. So Officer Frederick, I don't think checked in.
I think Mr. Bowman said he was, I don't know.
Officer Frederick did check in. I have a phone number for Officer Frederick.
Oh, he did check in. Okay, very good, very good. All right, there we go. All right. One allowing, one failure to display, and another what?
Impeding traffic.
All right, on that day, sir, on that day we called, did you fail to stop at a stop sign?
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right, blocking traffic for that, found him responsible. Just for matters of convenience, let's just plead them out to the other two, failure to display and an improper plate amended count. Same effect. Let's say, let's draw your attention back to February 20th, 2025, at 10:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Hubble. Did you have occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir, I did. Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes, sir.
You could not, could you?
Can you repeat that, sir? I apologize. Your camera, like your voice went out.
You couldn't produce either valid license or insurance, could you?
No, sir.
All right. Why couldn't you do it? Why couldn't you produce insurance?
At that time, I didn't have it, but my girlfriend just sent me the text. I don't know why I couldn't log in, but I could turn my camera around.
You have it now?
Yeah,
Well,
hold on. I could turn my camera around.
it doesn't.
All right, let me say something. Let me pass the matter. Ms. Grant, I don't, when I'm telling you, you need to be dressed like you're in court, not at home on your couch. I don't understand why I need to explain that to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gator. You want to pass it and see if he's got the documentation together?
No, actually, the prosecutor was going to go forward without him providing his insurance. So he's already.
I can provide it for you guys.
Okay, Mr. Gator, it doesn't change the deal. Okay.
All right, I'm just letting you guys know.
Thank you.
All right. Anyway, you couldn't provide it at that time?
Yeah, I did. I couldn't show it at that time, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I couldn't provide it at that time.
And your license was suspended at that time as well?
Current to your officer, yes, Your Honor.
Well, I mean,
it was suspended because it was, yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, improper plate, find him guilty and failure to display. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm only gonna fine you for 2. I'm not gonna fine you for the improper plate. And I'll fine you $240 for the failure to display, and I'll fine you $175 for the blocking traffic, all right?
All right, thank you. I appreciate that.
All right, so we'll do it that way.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I was about to say,
so I can go to the Secretary of State and pay the reinstatement fee, correct now?
You need to go to Secretary of State and pay this $288 to get your driver's license. I thought I told you that last time.
No, when I tried to go get them last time, they told me I had to wait to see what the court or the outcome. I tried. I left your courtroom and went straight to the.
You never paid the $288.
Okay, I'll go pay the $288.
It has to be paid at 36, not Secretary of State. 36. And then you're going to have an additional 30-day wait on your license because you took that fail to display today. So.
And you're going to owe this other money. So when can you pay the other money?
How much do I owe in total, Your Honor?
So for today, let's talk about today. I don't know the total. I'm going to waive the warrant fees as well. Ms. Mathis has to put it in the system. So for today, I'm talking about $240 and $175.
Is that going to give me my license back?
No.
I don't have the money today. Then I'll pay it like next week or the week after that. I don't got it today if it's not going to get my license back.
What do you mean if it's not going to get your license back? You're going to have to pay it anyway. You got to.
I don't have the money. I don't have it today, Your Honor. I don't have the money today.
You telling me you don't have the money today if it's not going to get your license back. So basically, I can infer that if you was going to get your license back, then you would have the money.
Correct. I was going to call my grandmother and borrow the money until I got paid, but I'm not going to call my grandmother and borrow the money if I'm not going to get my license back today. Correct, Your Honor. Correct.
Listen, sir, don't get smart with me because it's 93 days in jail waiting on your head. just let you do that instead of paying. But I'm trying to help you out so you can get a valid driver's license.
I'm not getting smart with you, Your Honor. I just said if I wasn't getting my license today, I don't have the money today. That you asked the question, I answered the question. I don't know how that was getting smart with you. I answered your question just how you asked.
It's your tone. It's your tone. That's how it's getting smart. Here, let them figure it out. April the 10th, 2025, and I'm gonna mark and file allowed payment plan. It's paid by April the 10th, 2025. I'll mark and file allowed payment plan. Have a very good day, Mr. Gator. Best of luck to you.
You too, my boy.
Ooh.
Not your boy.
All right, all right, I'm sorry.
This is not the streets. This is not the streets. Get out of the streets.
I'm not in the streets. I go to work every day, 9 to 5. I had to call off to be here today.
Mr. Gator.
He talking about the streets. I don't be in the street.
Well, you sound like it. You sound like it. I'm not your boy. All right. Best of luck to you.